Aiden. Okay, we're here. All done. All done. Horsey's all done. Are you ready to say bye-bye, Horsey? If you want to give the horsey a kiss, you can now. You want to give the horsey a kiss? Good. Nice. Okay. Let's go get our stuff. Come on, let's go get our hats. You hop down? Hop. Good hop. This way. Okay, come on, let's get your hat.
That one doesn't go up and down.